Muhammad Naim. Our group is going to talk about adaptive cruise control system. Imagine we are going to go somewhere nice and peaceful. Then you suddenly realize that you are going to drive for about 100 to 200 kilometers in a straight highway. That's when cruise control come to the rescue. With this, the long trip will be much more relaxing for the driver. The purpose of the cruise control is to maintain the speed of the vehicle that has been set by the driver without any intervention by controlling the throttle accelerator pedal linkage. The idea was using electrically controlled device that manipulate the road speed and adjust the throttle accordingly. The cruise control is then upgraded to the system that can adapt the vehicle speed accordingly to the front at a safe distance. This is called adaptive cruise control. In Europe, the cars manufacturer usually built in the adaptive cruise control for the driver's comfort and for their long journey.
So it's my part is to explain about the component that involved in this ACC cruise control. So here we can look, there are a few parts yang terlibat dalam sistem cruise control ni. So salah satunya distance sensor yang berada di depan kereta. Fungsi dia untuk mengesan kehadiran kenderaan yang ada di depan. So apabila sensor ini mengesan kereta di hadapan, information akan dihantar kepada ECU engine untuk mengurangkan kelajuan yang ditetapkan. Dan kemudian seterusnya wheel speed sensor yang mana dia mengesan kelajuan wheel yang berpusing. So dia akan menyelaraskan kelajuan semua roda ni sebagaimana yang ditetapkan oleh pemandu. Contohnya kalau pemandu menetapkan untuk 60 km sejam, maka roda ni juga akan ditetapkan ni, kemudian akan dihantar ke ECU engine dan dihantar semula ke brake untuk mengawal kelajuan dia. Seterusnya engine control module. Di sini yang ini adalah utama sekali, iaitu ECU. Dia penting sebab ia ibarat otak untuk interpret semua information yang dihantar daripada sensor-sensor yang ada. Seterusnya ABS module. ABS ni yang berkaitan dengan brake. Benda ni penting sebab dia akan mengawal kelajuan roda, sama ada dia nak turunkan kelajuan ataupun tingkatkan kelajuan. Kemudian yang terakhir sekali ACC control module dan ACC function module. Dua-dua ni adalah satu alat atau equipment yang menerima information daripada sensor ni, kemudian dihantar ke ECU, kemudian dihantar semula ke ACC control semua ni untuk diinterpretkan dan menjalankan fungsi ACC ni. Itu sekian saja untuk komponen yang terlibat dalam ACC control.
Alright guys, so now I'm going to talk about how the ACC, which is Adaptive Cruise Control, works. I'm going to talk about how each component reacts and interacts with each other. Let's go!
These are the components in the ACC system. There is ACC module with radar, engine control module, brake control module, instrument cluster, brake switches and cruise switches. Brake control module also include the braking components like the brake calipers as well as the ABS system. Next, we can see the ACC signals and information flow diagram. From the diagram, we can know on how the components interact with each other. To use the adaptive cruise control, just press the gas pedal until you reach the desired speed. Click on the on button on the cruise switches. At the instrument cluster, it will tell you that the ACC system is on. Thus, it will tell the ACC module and the engine control module with the brake control module to maintain the speed at the desired speed. The engine control module will tell the throttle body to open the flap to maintain the engine speed. It's like a normal cruise control. If the radar senses there are obstacles ahead, for example a slower moving vehicle, it will tell the ACC module, and the ACC module will interact with the engine control module and the brake control module to slow down the vehicle. The engine control module will close the throttle body to slow down the vehicle. To slow, if necessary, the brake control module will switch on the ABS and brake the whole vehicle to slow down the vehicle. Here we also tell the brake lights to switch up. And if the radar senses that there's no obstacle ahead, it will continue on to drive at the desired speed that you have been set before. It will tell the engine control module to open up the throttle body, and the brake control module to release the brake. It will use the speed sensor to watch the vehicle speed. To use the adaptive cruise control, use the button that provided at the steering wheel. We just drive your vehicle to the desired speed and press the set button to turn on the ACC. There are the plus and minus button that you can configure to either speed up the vehicle or to reduce the speed of the vehicle. There are also the up button, down button, which you can set the distance for your vehicle and the vehicle up front. The information will be shown at the instrument cluster. Overall, the adaptive cruise control is a closed loop system. The cruise switches on the steering wheel is the input, while the adaptive cruise control module, engine control module, and brake control module is the processor. The brake actuators, throttle body, and brake light is the output, which is the actuator, and the speed sensors, throttle body sensor, and the radar is the feedback, which is the sensor. They communicate each other to make sure that adaptive cruise control is in the greatest condition.
Okay guys, that's the component and the flow of the adaptive cruise control. Let's continue on with the advantages and the effects of adaptive cruise control. Let's go.
Good morning, everyone. Now I will explain the primary adaptive cruise control. Any adaptive cruise control will got four basic modes. The first is constant velocity control. Once the vehicle moves on the other side and it detects there's still a long distance with the preceding vehicle in front of it, then you will set a constant velocity of the vehicle. So, for the following, when the vehicle is detected, there's a vehicle move in front of it, then you will accelerate the vehicle into lower velocity. So this is the acceleration control. Next is when the vehicle keep following the vehicle in front of it, then once the vehicle in front of it decelerate the vehicle velocity, the own vehicle velocity will also increases as the front vehicle. This is a following operation. Next, once the SEC sensor of the vehicle detect that the vehicle in front of it is moved away, then we can accelerate the velocity of the vehicle. This is acceleration control. The advantage of adaptive cruise control is good fuel economy. Cruise control can keep the gas pedals in one position so that the fuel consumption can be reduced, because if the vehicle moves in constant velocity, the fuel consumption will be very accurate and constant. So the next advantage is it will promote a better driving comfort. With cruise control, the driver can rest their foot after a long travel as the vehicle keep moving at a steady speed. Besides that, the adaptive cruise control also can avoid speeding. The speeding can be avoided by setting the cruise control to the post speed limit. However, the adaptive cruise control also has some disadvantages. First, the disadvantage is harder to slow quickly. If the driver want to make a turn within a few seconds, the driver maybe unable to slow down the vehicle fast, so it's very dangerous for the driver. Next, harder to drive in back wheel. Cruise control can cause tire to road traction on the road if the wheel condition is very bad, such as the rainy weather. Because the cruise control cannot detect the wheels of the surrounding, so your kids constant kids acceleration when it's raining, so it can also make dangerous to the driver. Next, the following disadvantage is easier to fix with this track. The driver using cruise control will be more time to look at their smartphone or electronic device. Cruise control purpose is make a more comfort driving condition, make a more comfort environment. It's not allowed. It's not encourage the driver to look at their smartphone. So if the driver let lose their attention to the roadside, it will make dangerous to the driver.
So continue with me. I will tell about the effect of ACC system and the effect on the fuel consumption. So first, we know that this system will allow the vehicle to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. By using this system, the perturbation due to changes in the lead vehicle velocity does not cause a jam. Simulation of merging flow near on-ramp shows that if the total incoming rate does not exceed the capacity of the single outgoing lane, the free flow will maintain. So this system will impact the driver safety and will bring a convenience as well as increasing the road capacity by maintaining optimal separations between vehicles and reducing the driver errors. As we know that this system, adaptive cruise control, does not provide full autonomy. The system only provides some help to the driver but does not drive the car itself. So last on this effect, the ACC system allow the driver to reach lower maximum speed, maintain the longer headway, and reacted slower and more abruptly to sudden events. So next, we will talk about the fuel consumption. As we know that this system will allow the vehicle to get a lower fuel consumption, it also can improve the stability and fuel economy, as well as the emission performance of the simulated traffic flow. ACC system also can implement parameter from the present study in an eco mode with earlier and gentler deceleration. Thus, the engine will use a lower fuel to make the combustion for moving the vehicle. So, by using this system, it will allow the vehicle to be more eco-friendly to the environment. So that's all for me. Bye.
Proton X70. Intelligence that inspires.